Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth remote to a Samsung TV. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries installed correctly, as low power can hinder the connection. Point your remote directly at the television, making sure there are no obstructions between the two devices. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a clear communication path and prepares your remote for the next steps in the pairing process. You are now ready to activate pairing mode. Next, we need to put your remote into pairing mode. On most Samsung smart remotes, simultaneously press and hold the return and play /pause buttons for at least 3 seconds. Some models might require holding back and home instead. Look for a small LED indicator on your remote to begin blinking, signifying it is actively searching for a connection. This action broadcasts a signal, allowing your television to detect the remote and move forward with the pairing. Now, turn your attention to the television screen. Your Samsung TV should automatically detect the remote in pairing mode and display a prompt, like Bluetooth remote detected. Use your existing remote or TV buttons to confirm the pairing. If no prompt appears, navigate to your TV's settings, then General, and select Remote Control Settings. From there, choose Add Bluetooth Remote to manually initiate the search and complete the pairing. This step solidifies the connection. Once connected, thoroughly test all remote functions like volume, channel change, and Smart Hub access to confirm full functionality. If you encounter any issues, simply remove the batteries from your remote for about 20 seconds, then reinsert them and attempt the pairing process once more. For persistent problems, a factory reset of the remote, often detailed in your user manual, can resolve deeper connectivity glitches, ensuring a smooth and reliable user experience for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.